I'm Jason Jensen, president and owner of Wanamaker Jensen Architects. We also have a construction arm, WJ Create. Wanamaker Jensen Architects is a Florida-based architecture firm, multiple offices, Miami, St. Petersburg, Tarpon Springs, working together to create innovative, progressive architecture for the state of Florida. We're very excited about projects that involve the community, that impact the community. So we've been recognized for a city hall, for example, as the best architecture project in Tampa Bay. And partly because it's not just a city hall, it's something that gives back to the community can interact with it, it's inviting, and takes a different look at what a city hall could do. Fire stations, we have awards for fire stations, not thinking of it as a traditional fire station, but as something that truly is a place to work and live and give back to the firefighters who are putting their lives on the line for us. And projects like the Pure Approach, where we have park space that's turning what used to be roadway into usable space for the community. Things that make a difference. All of these have been recognized with multiple awards. We've also received the award for Firm of the Year within AIA Tampa Bay, which we're very proud of as well. We don't simply design just to win awards. Really, the awards are just recognizing the work that was done within the architectural community. We just want to make a difference in this community. It's amazing to see how the profession of architecture has changed from a very hand-drawn, repetitious art form to a technologically advanced, if not one of the most technologically advanced professions now. So drawing ideas happen on paper, pencil, all different means. But when we actually design the building to be constructed, we're working throughout the computer, graphics, 3D models, coordination with plumbing, mechanical, structural, all in the same 3D model, and then working with the contractor with all that data, all across multiple platforms, multiple data-intensive graphic images to create what is the construction documents and the final product to be built. So if you don't have the infrastructure, if you don't have the hardware, the software to support what we're doing on the technology side, then you're dead in the water. You can't move forward. And we made a conscious decision that our firm would lead the way in technology, that we weren't going to be left behind. We were going to be on the cutting edge, and to do that, we had to have the backing of a company that doesn't do what we do. The technology, we can't be good at everything. We want to be good at design. We want to let somebody else that's good at technology and good at providing those network services support us and tell us where do we need to be to get to that endpoint, to be on the cutting edge of our profession. Network People helped us do that. We worked with Network People ahead of the pandemic to get our office to be flexible, to be able to remote work, to work in different locations, to be able to go work on a job site. We were thinking ahead of how to put that technology into place, and that's exactly what we did. Network People helped us get the right hardware to be able to do that. We have very specific laptops to be able to handle our modeling efforts and our graphic software. It's not your normal computer network operation. We are so graphics intensive, so data driven, that we need software and servers that do so much more than your typical office would. And we really couldn't have done it without Network People guiding the way to provide the correct backbone for our operations. So during the pandemic, we decided to build a new office. Actually, we decided to build the new office before the pandemic and just decided to finish it during the pandemic. Which was a task unto itself. So we rethought our technology backbone here to continue to increase that and to work with Network People to develop what the office would look like moving forward. To have spaces that people can move around in the office. If they want a break from wearing masks, they can go in different areas. They need to be flexible and have technology that they can do that seamlessly. So we worked together building this office. They helped with the networking of it, moved the server in overnight essentially to be able to get us up and running, moving from one office to another without losing any operational time, which was huge for us. And that effort, that collaboration was seamless. Our staff working with their staff was a great process. We've been fortunate to work with network people for some time now. And as architects, we have a lot of clients that ask us, how do I address these technology needs? How do I implement this? And how do I keep this up and running? We've recommended network people to multiple clients, Healthy St. Pete Foundation, Academy Prep, and they keep using their services beyond. We have to know that that recommendation is going to be followed through on, and that the service is going to meet our expectation, because our reputation is on the line as well. And we have never been failed by network people and their services, which is really a testament to their follow-through, their delivery, their communication and collaboration, which we have really appreciated. If you're looking to extend your bandwidth, if you're looking to provide IT services in-house, especially as a small or medium-sized business without taking that consistent overhead, I think this is a great option to give you the best expertise at a throttled response to your needs to provide the best services.